It's no coincidence that I find you here. You're like a distant voice whispering in my ear. If I were to close my eyes, would you still be there? It's really no surprise, all this love we share. How did we find ourselves in this magic time, when all the colors blend so well and all the music rhymes? Well, it's no coincidence, 'cause this was meant to be. Directed by an unknown source surrounding you and me. It's no coincidence, everything is meant to be. Well, it's no coincidence that I find you here with me. It's no coincidence, everything is meant to be. Well, it's no coincidence that I find you